Hello and welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable HDR mode on Windows 10, so you can turn off high dynamic range and adjust your display settings easily. Step 1. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. This is where all the main system options for your Windows 10 computer are located. Step 2. In the Settings window, click on System. This section controls your display, sound, notifications, and other key system settings. Step 3. Select Display from the System menu. Here, you can manage your screen resolution, orientation, and color settings. Step 4. Scroll down and click on HDR or Windows HD color settings. This page shows options for enabling or disabling HDR and HDR video streaming. Step 5. Turn off HDR and disable HDR video streaming for the selected display. This will revert your screen to standard dynamic range and adjust the brightness and colors accordingly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.